Hello, and welcome back, guys. So, in this particular session, what we'll be doing is we need to take a look at this particular problem where we need to validate a solution. So, if so we'll be given two inputs, right? So, if the proposed solution is correct, we return correct. Otherwise, we return incorrect. Okay. So maybe we can simply do return, right? Return what? Correct. If, right, if proposed solution equals correct solution, right, proposed solution, if correct solution equals proposed solution, else what is it? Incorrect. Incorrect. Okay. Else incorrect. Incorrect. Right, let's run the code. What is this server issue? Okay, I need to turn on my thingy Wi-Fi. Let's run it. Okay, every test case has passed. Let's just submit it. Right, what about other people's solution? I'm pretty sure it's going to be something similar. Okay, this thing is something similar. Something similar, right? So it can't be very much different. Okay, so that's how we can solve this particular problem. Okay, thank you for your time. Take care.